my babies. It's your girl, Real Secrets, coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend to tell a mama and them, hey partners and them, because we are litty over here. And without further ado, we just got a package. I wonder where it's from. Yes, that was Blue's Clues. That's what I was brought up on when I was a kid. So yeah. So let's see. So like I am downsizing my purse collection on like items that I don't wear and replacing it with items that I really want. Hope y'all can see me. Oh snap. So I got this from the DH. No, it never came out. I guess this would be considered like a unicorn bag or whatever the case may be, but I seen it and thought it was just so cute. Y'all, basically, how do you do this? I don't know how. Oh, okay. Basically, this is, what is it? The side trunk LV purse, but this is in the, you know, the multicolored y'all, my words is very fumbling. It's been a long day. I'm hot and my body is trying to shut down because I'm overexerted. Y2K, the, what was it, the Murakami, whatever, y'all know the print. But yes, this is basically this. Y'all, I thought this was so pretty. It has the gold hardware. You basically close it like this, it locks. I'm not gonna lock it because then it's probably gonna be hard for me to take it back off. Let's see in the inside. It comes with a short strap, so if you want to just, you know, wear it as just like a handle or on your arm, in the crook of your arm and stuff like that, or, you know, if you want to wear it long, it has a longer strap. And I thought this was cute. I want to say, how much did this run me? It was definitely under $60. I want to say it was probably like 50 something after tax. But yeah, y'all, I just thought it was cute. It reminds me of a trunk, and I just love this print. And they have the other print that this purse actually comes in, but I just wanted this print. I love the multicolor Y2K. It gives me just nostalgic vibes. I love it. So yeah, y'all, I just wanted to come and do this unboxing from the DH. Yeah. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. So pretty. So yeah, y'all, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.